About to witness the dark side of outlier copying and how to flip that darkness into unstoppable momentum. First, look beyond your own niche. If you see a channel in your exact niche with a viral video, odds are your viewers have already seen it. They'll sense a copy, lose trust, and possibly even click away in disgust. Instead, look to sibling niches, areas your viewers also watch. For example, if you're a YouTube growth creator, your audience likely consumes editing tutorials, finance tips, filmmaking, or design hack. If you're a streamer, your viewers might also follow PC builds, console comparisons, Twitch updates, or yes, YouTube growth channels. That's where you'll find outliers your viewers haven't already burned through. Next, figure out how to adapt an outlier idea from those sibling niches in a way that feels new. For example, why everyone seems to have more money than you was changed to why everyone else gets more views than you. Now you've borrowed the same electric and emotional spark of the outlier concept but made it uniquely suited for YouTube creators. That's what you need to do. Extract the core idea and reshape it to fit your brand. How do you spot these outliers fast? One trick is to use an incognito window in YouTube. Filter results from the past month, then sort by view count. Look for 100K plus views on channels under 5K subs or 1M plus on channels under 100K subs. Another method is to use vidIQ or other analytics extensions to highlight velocity. Once you find them, watch carefully. Did the channel bring a comedic angle? Did they have a unique personal story? Was there a timely event or micro-trend fueling it? That's the part you need to incorporate into your own approach, not just the subject matter. On my channel, I once had a video blow up beyond my usual reach, while another video I based on an outlier from my own niche barely hit 234 views after an entire year. Both videos were inspired by outliers, but the difference was how I approached them. In the flop, I basically copy-pasted someone else's formula. In the successful one, I merged insights from multiple outliers and put my own personality front and center. Every day you wait to fix this mistake is another day someone else snags the audience that should be yours. 9 times out of 10, the biggest mistake you might be making is thinking of recreating outliers as just pure copy and paste. If you're just mimicking other channels' videos, you won't get sustainable result. The only real exceptions might be sports or certain news-based niches where the content is literally the same event replayed. Otherwise, your viewers expect you to bring value and a personal angle. If you're not infusing your content with your own style, you're ignoring what made that outlier special. Without this strategy, you risk your channel becoming invisible, no matter how great your content is. So let's get practical. First, pick the right outlier to learn from. Some just aren't worth your time. If you see the same outlier idea repeated on multiple channels, that might indicate oversaturation. If you see an outlier that's big in a sibling niche, but it only soared because of the channel's personal brand, you might be chasing a dead end. The sweet spot is an outlier that rose quickly, but you don't see 20 clones yet, and it addresses a viewer pain point your channel can solve.
Nice.
Maybe you combine ideas from 2 or 3 outliers to build a single video that covers what the audience never realized they needed. Second, do thorough research to connect with your audience on a deeper level. If the outlier's appeal was comedic, you can try a more educational spin. If it was purely data-driven, maybe you weave in emotional storytelling. Audiences appreciate genuine connection, especially as YouTube moves back toward authenticity and away from short-lived gimmick. Another trick is what I call coinage. It's basically picking out ideas from 2 outliers and merging them into a powerful one with a very unique and interesting angle, a unique term for your approach, so it feels brand new rather than a rehash of a known topic. Finally, package it well. A brilliant idea goes nowhere if the title and thumbnail don't scream, "Click me." I like to brainstorm multiple titles. I often use AI to help craft the best titles, so if you want a guide for how to do such, comment title. Your titles can be fear-based, curiosity-based, or value-based. For thumbnails, I sometimes use a quick poll or run an A/B test if possible. If the niche is already saturated, pivot your angle or visuals so it stands out. One overlooked detail can make or break your outlier moment. Miss it, and you'll watch your video die in single-digit stat. Remember, you're not out to be a clone. You're aiming to be the next outlier. Use outliers as inspiration, not as script. Analyze how they engaged viewers and see if there's a hidden angle they left out. That's your chance to shine. Ready to break free from copycat content? Hit like, subscribe, and dive into our exclusive guide that will transform your channel from overlooked to unstoppable.